Yeah, as you can see, it is Gprs trading robot. Gprs trading robot. The trades are the way you see. The trades are are they running like the way you see running trades? Yeah, the Gprs. So as you can see, we about 90. We about 180%, and it is about more than. Yeah, as you see the checkup of Gprs, or the setup of Gprs, and now it has already opened these orders, and we're just running about the way you see it. We thank God for that, and we are just running about that one. Gprs trading robot. Yeah, so let's just see and wait for the profit inside, and we can just edit this stop loss TP maybe to here, and when it reaches here it will be 75 in each, so we can edit it to here. Don't want just to be like the way it is. Yeah, I think here is just good more than higher than that, so it will just range on 75, 60, so some 60 there in each pair. So let's just wait and see the performance. Yeah, this is performance of it and everything. It is just this Gprs trading robot. Yeah, if you're interested with this, so this is the robot which is just now working clearly, and we are just making money with it. We're just clearly making money with it, and just like the way you see it. Yeah, that's how it is, my guys. Yeah, so we're expecting to get some like the way you get it. Yeah, okay. So we're just expecting to get like that one. So let's just wait and see what is happening to us and see how much we're going to make according to our setup, according to the setup of the robot. According to the setup of the robot, yeah. The robot we are using is this one. This is the robot we are using here. So let's just see, just watch and check out the meaningful of using robot and the result. So if you're interested, you can just go to the description and go and come and check your robot and start your trading as well. Yeah, but yeah. So let's just run on that, and when we hit TP, it will be more, it will be amazing. Yeah, it will be amazing. It will be amazing. It will be amazing. When we hit TP, it will be amazing. So let's just wait and see and focus on it, and let's check out. Yeah, it is Gprs robot. Let's just check out and see the result and how it performs. Yeah. Yes, you can see we're just running about 70s. We're just running about 70, 100 and 5, 100. Yeah, it's just Gprs. We're running 100 like that one. So yeah, so that's how it goes sometimes. Check up, and the robot using is this equity, and this, and the robot we're using this. Yeah, so let's just wait because the time is still young, and check out and see what is going to happen more than this, and we are waiting for it. We are waiting for it to make some more wonders more than that. Yeah, it is Gprs trading robot. So make sure you watch to the end, make sure you subscribe the channel, and also if you need the robot, go to description. There is a WhatsApp number there whereby you can contact us directly and get the robot and information. And what is just going to you is just after you get the robot, get instruction, you just go and start working with it the way you see we are working on it, like the way you see it. So we are here just to show you the way. Here we are interesting to show you so as if you can get, you can see it's an opportunity to you. You can just make what you can make. Yeah, so that's how it is, and you're welcome. Please just make sure you subscribe and you share if possible, and things will go good to you more than this, and we will help. It will be helpful for us more than how you think. So thank you for that, and we appreciating so much everything we are doing for us, so as we are happy on everything. Okay, it is Gprs. Yeah, it is Gprs, like the way you see it, and thanks for everything. We are just making it like the way you see it. Thank you for support and everything. Yes, my people. Yes. Yeah. So this is how everything is just going here. We are just going slowly but sure. By Gprs trading robot, we are just around that one. Just watch here. Yeah, like that. And then you can just watch here and then watch this Gprs trading robot. The Gprs trading robot, we are running like the way you see it, like that one. Yeah, no say. Yeah. Thank you for watching this, and now welcome. I think let me just show you to the phone and everything will be done, and you will see the phone and the comment section with robot it is, and we are done with it. Yeah, as you can see, it is Gprs trading robot. The trades are the way you see. The trades are are they running like the way you see running trades? Yeah, the Gprs. So as you can see, we about 90, we about 180%, and it is about more than 80% of our capital. So this is how this robot works. And so if you're interested for this robot, make sure you just come to description. That's why you see from the beginning I was just placing the robot, and the robot get the target and place the order and whatever, and this is what is happening up to now. We are running about the way you see it, 170, 180. So we are running about $200, which is more than 90% of more than 80, let's say 80% of the capital. Yeah, so that's how the trades sometimes breathe in and out, but this is how everything is just going here, and we are just making it like the way you see it. And this is now the chart of it. I just see it clear. Yeah, this is how the chart is. And now if you can see, the chart is so more young. As you can see, the crossover of it, so it means that this thing is just still going on and on. Yeah, so let's just say wait and it for it to hit the target, and it will hit the target as a certain target here. So just waiting for this and everything. As you can see, yeah, this is the chart. And so just let's wait and wait, and we are just going to make it like the way you see it. So this is Rich-Minded Skills. Please make sure you subscribe the channel, and everything will be done to you very clean and see after every profit in and out, right?